Hello, I just bought a gas container made by Scepter, S-C-E-P-T-E-R. It is very nice. It has lots of safety device. What it has a cover to the in the sprout, and you are supposed to push the dark green thing, and then you are supposed to. I do this, and nothing is coming out. It's very annoying. Lots of people have had problem. So how I solved it is as follows. What I did, you are supposed to push on this dark green thing, and the whole green thing you are supposed to move forward. See now, see how I move forward. The whole green thing you are supposed to push and move forward. Now it will come down. See now. See how it pours. So this is how it works. Okay, and if you want to go to the gas station and fill it up, you press on this green at the bottom, the green thing, and then you unscrew it. Unscrew it, and the whole thing comes out. See, the whole thing comes out. Then you put the gas nozzle at the gas station inside this, so that it rests on the second stop, they say, and you fill it up. And then you put it here, and then you screw it to the right. You screw it clockwise, okay? And then finally, the teeth here will lock with this thing here, this protector, and then it locks. The beauty of this device is that even if it falls down like this, nothing is going to come out. No gas will come out. Even if it tilts like this, no gas will come out. If it falls down like this, no gas will come out. Children cannot open it because they will not know how to. They will push on this. They will try to force it like this, and it will not open. Even to unscrew it, it needs lots of strength. You have to push down, and then you unscrew, and it's not easy. You need a man to do this. So it's pretty child-proof. However, it is a little bit difficult to operate, and the instructions are not very clear. That's why I'm making this video as a social service to help people. Okay, thank you very much.